July 5, 2022, Venus, one of the four morning planets with Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, is visible with the stars of Taurus. During the evening, the thick crescent moon is with Virgo. Chart caption, 2022, July 5, 1 hour before sunrise, Venus is with the stars of Taurus in the east-northeast. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:22 a.m. CDT, sunset, 8:29 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Morning sky. For this morning's planets, begin in the east-northeast about an hour before sunrise. Brilliant Venus is stepping eastward in Taurus. The morning star, nearly 9 degrees up in the east-northeast, is 6.3 degrees to the left of Aldebaran. Both easily fit into the same binocular field. Notice Elnath, meaning the one budding with horns and also known as Beta Tauri, is about the same height in the sky as Venus and 10.4 degrees to the left of the planet. Beta Tauri is the bull's northern horn. Venus passes the star on the morning of July 12. Look for the Pleiades over 15 degrees to the upper right of Venus. The star Capella is over 20 degrees above the northeast horizon, to the upper left of Venus. Chart caption, 2022, July 5, before daybreak, Jupiter and Mars are in the southeastern sky. Bright Jupiter is over 40 degrees up in the southeast and nearly 67 degrees to the upper right of Venus. The Jovian giant is slowly moving eastward in Cetus. It is beginning to slow its eastward motion and begin to retrograde later this month. Dimmer Mars is marching eastward in Pisces, away from Jupiter. It is about 1/3 of the way from Jupiter to Venus. The red planet is moving toward the Pleiades star cluster. This morning the stellar bunch is to the lower left of the planet. Mars passes the star cluster next month. Chart caption, 2022, July 5, Saturn is in the south with the stars of Capricornus before sunup. The fourth dimmest of the bright morning planets is Saturn. Find it about 1/3 of the way up in the southern sky. It is among the stars of Capricornus, near Deneb al-Jidi and Nashira. It is retrograding, an illusion of the planet moving westward compared to the starry background. Use a binocular to make weekly observations of Saturn's location with the two background stars. The ringed wonder makes a nice triangle with Deneb al-Jidi and Nashira near month's end. From Venus to Saturn, the four planets span over 110 degrees. Evening sky. The waxing crescent moon, 40% illuminated, is about 30 degrees up in the west-southwest about an hour after sunset. The moon phase continues to grow and brighten. It easily shines on the ground and casts shadows. The lunar orb is at its half-full phase, first quarter, tomorrow evening. With the growing moonlight each evening, the dimmer stars are becoming more difficult to see. The moon's light overwhelms the dimmer stars. In about 2 weeks, the moon is dim enough to begin to see the fainter stars. Until then, a binocular helps locate the stars near the moon. This evening the moon is with Virgo. It is to the upper left of Zavajava, meaning the corner of the barking dog. Porrima, also known as Gamma Virginis, is 8.3 degrees to the upper left of the thick lunar crescent. Spica, meaning the ear of corn, is over 20 degrees to the left of the moon. Notice Corvus the raven about 15 degrees above the southwest horizon.